boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Daniel.
Hi.
I have Miss Riley. I have Miss Christiana.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And boys and girls, we are going to have a fun day today because today we're going to be making Patriotic Parfaits. What do you think that is?
Good.
Do you know why I say patriotic? Do you know what the color of our country's flag is?
Red, white, and blue.
Very good. And so our parfaits are going to be red, white, and blue. And do you know what a parfait is? A parfait is when you layer your dessert in a glass. So we're going to layer our dessert in a glass. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah!
Oh, does that sound like fun, boys and girls? Oh, Carter, could you help me? I have mixed together a cream mixture, and I'll tell you what's in it. You want to help me get it out of the refrigerator?
Sure.
Here, Carter. Put one of these by each of the kids. Give Daniel one, and I'll give you one, and Christiana. And I'll get one for me. Now, let's take our paper off. Because you know why I keep the plastic on it?
Why?
To keep it fresh when it's in the refrigerator, don't I, boys and girls? So we're going to take the paper off. You want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Well, it's kind of stuck underneath. Now, what I did was I took some tofutti, better than cream cheese, and I mixed it with some non-dairy whipped topping and a little bit of pure almond extract. And I mixed it all together. Do you guys want to taste it? You want to see what it tastes like? You can taste your own. What's it taste like?
Tastes good. Cream.
Does it taste good? Oh, what do you think? Oh. So now here's what you're going to do. You're going to spoon a little bit. I'm going to make one too. So let's stir yours up a little. Let's stir these up because they've been sitting in the refrigerator. So stir it up a little bit. Get your spoons.
But how do you know what to do, but we don't have no recipe?
You know what?
What?
Sometimes we can just be creative.
Oh.
What do you think of that? Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
So what I did was,
Can you please help me?
Sure. See, I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. So what I did was I have a recipe for a vegan vanilla cake. And boys and girls, you can get that recipe online on the Tiny Tot website, okay? Or you can have your mommy or daddy help you make maybe they have a special recipe for a vegan vanilla cake. Or you could use any kind of a cake recipe that you like at home. Now what you're gonna do, and then so you can have that for your parfait. Okay, you're gonna take a little, kind of go like that, and be real careful. That's why you can use your spatulas. See, look, and put a little bit in the bottom like that. Okay, put just a little bit in the bottom. Oh, make sure it goes in the bottom. There you go. Can you get yours in, Christiana? Here. Look. There you go. And now, oh, you need help too? Let's get a little bit more for you. Let's go a little bit more. See how you do it? Hold it in this hand, and then you can just go like that. See? Isn't that easy? Okay. Now, you're going to take your knives. Get your knives, and now you're going to cut through your cake and make little pieces, okay?
Cinda, can you help me get
Would you like me to help you? Sure, Christiana. So you're going to cut little pieces. Oh, that's okay, honey. You got enough. We can put a little bit more in if you like. There. There. Okay, so boys and girls, you put a little bit of your cream mixture in the bottom. Okay, here, let me help you.
Hi, Cinda. How do you cut it? You cut it.
You want to cut it like this. Here you go. See how we make a cut like that? And then straight across.
Can I try?
Sure. And then straight across. And then, so look, Christiana, what Miss Cinda's doing. Straight across. You're going to make little, and then look, I'm going to make little tiny pieces like that.
Miss Cinda, look.
Any when you want.
One sort of fell apart.
Oh, that's okay, because you know what, Carter, what you can do, boys and girls, if that happens to you, you can just take it and crumble some in your jar, in your glass. See, look. So if you don't want to cut it, you can just take and crumble. You don't have to cut. Okay? No. Okay, you get a layer of cake.
Miss Cinda,
you can put your knife down, just crumble it if you want. Okay, put some in your glass. You want to see? Look at Miss Cinda's. Just like this, boys and girls, and you can. Oh, we don't want too much. Let's take a little bit out. Okay. Okay, now put a little bit of your fruit. Put the blue berries for the blue and the red for the strawberries. Just put a few. Okay, look, I'm going to put a few because we're going to make lots of layers. So you want to save some for the other layers.
Cinda,
yes?
Why does it have to be red, white, and blue?
Because that's the colors of our flag for our country. Isn't that nice?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and that's why we're calling it patriotic, because patriotic is you're standing up for your country. Okay? So we'll put our strawberries in. Let's put I'm going to put 3 strawberries in.
I cut my strawberries.
You did? Okay, now, then you're going to get some more cream. And you're going to put some more cream in.
Lots of it?
You want to cover up your fruit with the cream. See, boys and girls, how that works? You're going to cover up your cream. Cover up your fruit with the cream. Ooh! Does this look good? And you know, you can put in, we don't have measurements because it depends on the size of your glass. And so you just want to, this is really fun when you have like a lot of people over, they can each make their own dessert. Doesn't that sound fun?
Miss Cinda, I got it.
Okay, you want to...
Miss Cinda, I got it.
Good job. Good job.
Miss Cinda?
Mm-hmm. You want some cream now?
Do you want all of it?
No, you want to... See, look at Miss Cinda's.
Can I taste this?
You may. What do you think?
Good.
Is that good? Okay.
Here, you can taste it.
Oh, okay. Thanks. That is good, Riley. Boys and girls, you're going to like this.
Cinda, I want to try some of my bread.
Oh, that's a cake. What do you think?
It tastes like bread.
Okay, you can put some more cream in there, Riley. Okay, when you have your other layer, like Daniel, now you can put some more cake in yours. Or you need some blueberries in yours, Daniel.
Yeah.
You want to put some blueberries in yours? Okay, on top of your cream, you're going to put some more cake. Look. Oh, it's looking yummy. Oh, what do you think, guys? And you can push it down just a little bit if you want. See? Is it looking pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Is that good, Daniel? He says, these blueberries look too good. I'm going to eat them now. Oh, Riley's eating hers too. Are you eating your cake? But it's okay because that's part of cooking, isn't it? Tasting what we're doing. That's the fun of cooking, isn't it, boys and girls?
Yeah.
Okay, now did you put another layer of cake? Now put some more fruit.
I always start with the blueberries.
You start with the blueberries?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm going to put a big strawberry on mine. And I'm going to put
taking my strawberries and cutting them in half.
Oh, okay, when you get your...
Mine.
Oh, wow. Put some blueberries in there. Okay, you need to get some more cake on yours.
Look at mine.
Good job. Now you need to put some cream on top of that.
I think this cream is going to
Is
be the last.
that good?
I think this is the last thing I want to be done with.
Yeah, you're almost done. Okay, I'm going to put some more cream on mine. I might have room for a little bit more cake. What do you think? I might decorate. Riley. Riley's eating hers now. She thinks this is too good. She's liking it. So see, look how I'm spreading my cream all over the top like this. And then you guys can decorate the top. Whoa, Riley! Oh, goodness.
I'm going to decorate my top.
Are you going to decorate yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you going to decorate yours too, Daniel?
I'm going to just decorate mine.
Riley, yeah, you need some more cream. And I don't know. I might put blueberries all
You can do this and pat it.
Oh, you use your spatula. Can you use your spatula?
This is more better.
Oh, it's more better. Okay. That's what we want you to do if it's more better. Is it fun being in the kitchen?
Yes.
Oh, who likes being in the kitchen?
Me!
Oh, me too. I like being in the kitchen. Ah, boys and girls, do you like to be in the kitchen? Oh, it's fun, isn't it? Oh, you got a whole bunch on top.
What got mine?
Oh, wow, you better get, that's our kitchen timer. You better get some more fruit in yours. You better finish yours.
I'm not a help.
When you're finished yours, you can take your spoon and eat
Miss
it.
Cinda, can you help me?
Would you like me to help you? Sure.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I want to finish mine.
You can start eating it when you get it done. You can start eating and you tell me what you think.
That is good.
You like Patriotic Parfaits?
Yep.
Oh, they're yummy. Okay, Christiana, you can put some fruit in it.
As you eat it as on your way.
Is it good, Daniel?
Yeah.
Are you eating yours? Okay, you ready to put your fruit on the top? Or you want a little bit more cream? Oh, look, I think I'm gonna make, what you got? Oh! Riley's having too much fun eating hers. I think I'm gonna make a little flower and put a blueberry in the middle.
That looks pretty.
Look at that. I think I'm gonna do that. There, mine's ready to eat. Oh! How about putting some fruit on there, Riley?
Do you like mine?
Oh, I love yours. It's beautiful. You want to taste it and see how it tastes? You can use your spoon. Here you even have another. Oh, no, that's a knife. You can use your spoon and taste it. Boys and girls, does this look yummy? Oh, you're going to have to make these because these are really yummy. Who likes it?
Me.
Oh, do you like it, Riley? Oh, they're fun to make, aren't they? Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. Always remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.